Hello viewers, I welcome you once again in SR Education Python tutorial. For today my topic is jump statements in Python. क्या होते हैं ये jump statement और हम इन्हें क्यों यूज करते हैं? As per the situation and conditions, we'll see how to use and where to use these break and continue statements. These are called jump statements because it makes compiler to jump statements. Fine. Like to ignore few of the codes, and it is directly coming out of the loop or coming out of a particular block of code. So that is why it is called jump statement. So let's see how to use this. Let me take you to ideally without wasting time. Here I am, and very simple with a very simple example. I'll show you how to use this jump statement. So let's start with the code for I. I want to put a check. Is greater than 6. So break the loop. No any other value is going to get printed. If the value of I exceeds to 6, even till 6 it will go, but if the value exceeds by 6, it will stop there. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So why 7 is coming here? Question arises, why 7 coming here? As you can see in my program, print statement is printing is done before condition being checked, right? यानी कि आप थिएटर में एंटर हो गए और टिकट बाद में चेक हो रही है whether you have taken the ticket or not, right? तो for I in range 1 to 11, I की वैल्यू 1 थी, कंपाइलर ने प्रिंट कर दिया. फिर I की वैल्यू 2 हुई, कंपाइलर ने उसको भी प्रिंट किया. ठीक है, then again it goes till 3, 4, 5. 5 is again, right, less than 6, compiler has printed. Now when the value becomes 6, compiler has printed 6, 6 is again not greater than 6, right? Then the value becomes 7. Compiler is printing this 7 also, and here it is checked, right? Condition becomes true because 7 is greater than 6, and then and there only loop stops and it is not going further. इसने 8, 9, 10 प्रिंट नहीं किया. अगर मैं इस को कमिट कर देती हूँ, क्या कंपाइलर 8, 9, 10 प्रिंट कर रहा था? बिल्कुल कर रहा था. It was able to print all the numbers. But the moment you are putting a condition there for break, that no stop, if the value exceeding by 6, you are instructing the compiler to stop and so this is the purpose of break statement. Now let's see what continue is. So we are saying here that if I equal to 6, then देखते हैं कंपाइलर क्या करेगा. ब्रेक पे तो हमने देखा कि कंपाइलर ने लूप को ब्रेक कर दिया. कंटिन्यू पे कंपाइलर क्या करेगा? लेट्स सी नाउ. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Why it is technically there? If I equal to 6, F, and now let's see. So as you can see here, compiler has printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because at this value, right, where I equal to 6, I की वैल्यू जब 6 है, तो हमने इस कंडीशन पे कंपाइलर को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है कंटिन्यू विद द नेक्स्ट वैल्यू, दैट इज 7. So compiler has continued the execution from 7. So I hope it is very clear to you what break is and what continue is. Happy learning. Keep rocking. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if looping is not clear to you and if S is not clear to you, you can see my previous videos.